What's up, plastic addicts? Let's take a look at this 3D printed grain silo for the K7 space station by HDA Modelworx. The design is based on VFX shots from the Star Trek episode The Trouble with Tribbles. Designed with lighting in mind, the grain silo comes as a two-piece assembly, the first part shown here with the connecting arm and main body of the grain silo, and here the lower dome that has a hole in it to either put an SMD or fiber optics in, depending on your preference. The assembly is easy enough. Put the two halves together, and you can fill and sand that smooth as you would with any other 3D print part. A fairly long connecting arm is provided with the part. I opted to go fairly short based on the few reference images there are, and I have used a razor saw to cut this. I found it most effective just because it contains dust. You can use a Dremel, but I would recommend using a mask with that. And here is a little consequence of working with resin. Sometimes it is very brittle. But I gave myself some extra length so I could work on sanding that down. So if you run into the same problem, give yourself a little bit of wiggle room just in case. Once the silo is complete, go ahead and attach it to the model, paint it, detail it, whatever order you prefer to build your model in, top down, bottom up, whatever. This is a nice piece to add to your collection and really step up this model.